If your home button is missing in DuckDuckGo Browser or you simply want to turn it back on and customize how it works, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the home button in DuckDuckGo Browser, how to choose its position in the toolbar, and how to set what page it opens when you click it. Let's get started. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, go to the General section. Scroll until you find the Home button settings. Here you'll see the option to enable or disable the Home button. Here you can also see an option to choose its position. You can place the Home button on the left side or the right side of the back button. Choose the position that feels most comfortable for your workflow. Next, you'll also see a setting that controls what the Home button opens. You can choose to open a specific website by entering a URL. For example, you could set it to Google, DuckDuckGo Search, or any custom page you prefer. Alternatively, you can set it to open the new tab page, which is the default DuckDuckGo start screen. Once you've selected your preferred option, the changes are applied instantly. There is no need to restart the browser. Now, whenever you click the Home button, it will open exactly the page you selected. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and customized the Home button in DuckDuckGo Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser customization guides, tech tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.